Welcome all new entrepreneurs. Today's special news, the 15th of March 2025, is that you hold the power to shape your own reality. And in India, that reality is poised for a potential 50% surge in new entrepreneurial businesses between 2024 and 2025. Furthermore, your efforts are vital in transforming India's economy by shifting the landscape from job seekers to job creators, continuously generating employment. Sponsored by VSK Business Consultants. Please note, this information is provided for knowledge purposes only and should not be construed as financial or legal advice. The economic transformation, a national imperative. The emergence of new entrepreneurs in India transcends individual ambition. It signifies a fundamental shift in the nation's economic paradigm. You are not merely building companies. You are constructing a future where innovation and self-reliance serve as the cornerstones of economic prosperity. This transition from a primarily job-seeking population to a nation of job creators is pivotal for India's sustained economic growth and development. Job creation, the engine of progress. Your entrepreneurial ventures are poised to address India's pressing employment challenges directly. Each business you establish generates opportunities, not only for yourself but for a wider workforce. This continuous creation of employment opportunities is a substantial contribution to the nation's overall prosperity. The projected 50% growth is not merely a numerical increase in businesses, it represents a significant multiplier effect in job creation, fostering economic inclusion and stability. Driving economic dynamism and innovation. New entrepreneurs serve as catalysts for economic dynamism and innovation. Your pioneering ideas, products, and services stimulate market demand, attract vital investments, and contribute to the overall vibrancy of the Indian economy. This surge in economic activity is essential for achieving sustainable development, fostering technological advancement, and enhancing India's global competitiveness. The ripple effect. Beyond direct employment. The impact of new businesses extends far beyond direct employment opportunities. You create a powerful ripple effect, stimulating growth in related industries, invigorating local communities, and fostering a culture of entrepreneurship. Your success contributes to the overall well-being and prosperity of the nation, creating a virtuous cycle of economic growth and social development. Empowering the Indian workforce, building human capital. By generating new job opportunities, you are empowering the Indian workforce, providing individuals with the chance to develop their skills, contribute their talents, and build fulfilling careers. This empowerment is vital for building a robust and resilient economy, fostering social mobility, and unlocking the full potential of India's human capital. Addressing unemployment, a collective responsibility. New entrepreneurs are at the forefront of addressing India's persistent unemployment challenges. Your ventures offer viable alternatives to traditional employment, creating opportunities for those who may have been previously excluded from the formal workforce. This collective effort is crucial for creating a more inclusive and equitable society. Building a sustainable and resilient future. By focusing on innovation, sustainable business practices, and responsible resource management, you are contributing to a more resilient and environmentally conscious economy. Your ventures have the potential to create a lasting positive impact on India's future, ensuring long-term prosperity and environmental sustainability. Navigating the ecosystem. Key considerations. Understanding market dynamics. Conduct thorough market research to identify opportunities and challenges. Securing funding. Explore various funding options, including government grants, venture capital, and angel investors. Building a strong team. Assemble a talented and motivated team to support your vision. Leveraging technology. Embrace digital tools and platforms to enhance efficiency and reach a wider audience. Adapting to change. Be prepared to adapt your business strategies to evolving market conditions. Regulatory compliance. Ensure compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. Stay informed and connected. Your lifeline. To remain informed about the latest trends, government policies, and success stories within India's dynamic entrepreneurial landscape, subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular news updates. You can also follow our WhatsApp channel, Facebook, and Instagram pages for daily insights, community engagement, and valuable resources. Don't miss out on the information and support you need to thrive in this exciting era of Indian entrepreneurship. Sponsored by VSK Business Consultants. Please note, this information is provided for knowledge purposes only and should not be construed as financial or legal advice. In India, in 2024 and 2025, you are not just starting a business, you are participating in a national movement that is driving economic transformation, generating employment, and shaping the future of India. Your success is India's success.